Hey guys, I hope that you are all doing well. I hope everyone is safe and healthy. And I have been trying to figure out how to do this video for a while because I want to set it up a certain way, and I want it to be well put together and well thought out, and I want it to look nice, and I'm just gonna talk to you. So I'm gonna talk to you about growth. I will say things and I will write things, and you better believe they will happen. Way back when, I did a video called Use Your Quarantine Time to Grow, which is exactly what I've been doing. And I just want to say this is what growth looks like. It looks like confusion. It looks like clarity. And then once you realize what it is you're supposed to be doing, you get scared. And then you get confused. And then you get empowered. I have been walking the walk. I'm not just talking the talk, I'm walking the walk. And this journey is not easy. This journey of figuring out who I am and what I'm called to do and who I'm called to serve outside of having a job. You get me? Outside of having a 9-to-5 that pays bills or making things to make money so I can buy food in the supermarket, outside of that, there's a bigger picture for my life. I have known this for a long time. And I'm putting the meat on the bones, so to speak, of what that is, and realizing that it's so much bigger than me. It is so much bigger. And if you are in my circle of friends, you would know that I'm not satisfied with things that are on the surface. I always want to go deeper. I always want to know why. Face value has never been enough for me. And I think that, I don't know if it's me imposing myself on other people, but I think we live a much richer life when we go a little deeper. So I am looking for other women who want to go a little deeper too. And I have started a Facebook group. Mind you, my page literally, no lie, literally has 1 like and 2 follows right now, I think. Yeah. I have more action on my blog, but it's just 1 like and 2 follows on Facebook. And going forward, I want to create a community of women who are willing to go deep, who are willing to do some work, who are willing to go the extra mile and take on more than what's on the surface. I feel like I am at a breaking point right now. And it's not a breakdown, it's a breakthrough. And it's overwhelming because It's like I've been pushing for so long. I feel like I've been in labor for years. And something new is about to be born. And I don't know, some of you who have given birth, there's that feeling like just before your child is born where you're like, I can't do this anymore. I can't do this anymore. But you have to push. This is what growth looks like. And it's not pretty. It's hard. It's taxing. It's gut-wrenching. But it is so worth it. It is so worth it to know what you are, who you are, what you're meant to do. It is so worth it. When I say I'm confused about exactly which direction to take right now. I am not confused about what I'm called to do. But there was a point when I was. And it's like walking around and your eyesight is not the best, right? But you can still see. So you make your way around and you do what you have to do. And then you go to the optometrist and you sit and they take all the tests. They do what they have to do. And they recommend the glasses. And then you put the glasses on. And then it's like, oh, okay. This is what the world looks like. And I feel like we should all live like that. So, if this made sense to you, then you are the person I want to work with. And if this doesn't make sense to you, you're probably not. And that's okay. I'm going to leave some links in the description box below. And I will see you on the Facebook page. Stay well. Blessings.